Hey guys, Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today we're building a forge hood. This is my friend here.
Hey, how's it going?
You're not even looking at the camera, bro.
How's it going? Can't really see my face anyway.
No, I suppose not.
That's alright. It's a little dark, but...
Yeah, I got my friend Joe out here. I temporarily borrowed his welder for a while. I'll show a little bit of, what we did. We're already done with it, so I'll show you quick. See the forge hood right here, and it's just got to bend out to the side, and it's definitely funneling smoke a fair bit. But yeah,
It's doing its job.
the goal is just have way less smoke in my shop, and when it gets really smoky, it's definitely not going to do super well, but the goal is just to help negate some of the smoke.
Sure.
Yeah, so it seems to be working great. The pipe's going up the top. I'll put a picture of that, do a couple pictures and videos of what we got. But yeah, so enjoy the short little video. Or not. Now welding.
Alright, go.
That didn't really work.
No?
No.
Just go right through?
No, I mean, it's just a bunch of little tiny welds, which works, I guess. I'm actually just do tack welds quick. I want to see if that works. Let me flip this around. I mean, whatever.
It's your choice, man.
Alright, I'm gonna start welding again.
Alright.
Welding. Welding. Or not. Welding. Welding. Or not. Welding. Welding. Or shifting it. Welding. That's the way to go. Just tack weld it. I mean, because it's not burning up the material like this was. And it's not all sputtery and crap.
Sure, what do you have it all set to?
What the hell you set it to?
No, well...
Probably low and low.
Yeah, low.
And high speed.
High speed, alright, cool, man. I like that idea.
This top's breaking, the bottom working on it, but it won't break.
Sure enough.
That's the way to go.
Alrighty. Yeah, I'm ready, man. Go ahead.
Welder. Hit the max on it.
What's that?
We hit the, the thing I was telling you about, the...
You know it. It's alright.
It's functional. It's not very...
No, but it works.
The duty cycle. I can hit the max of the duty cycle. Alright, y'all. We got some bacon wrapped marshmallows and
In honor of National Bacon Day.
National Bacon
I guess
Day.
every day is National Bacon Day.
Apparently.
Alright, let's give it a shot, man.
Not bad.
Oh,
Not bad.
oh, the texture is kind of weird,
Yeah, it is.
but tastes incredible. Bacon wrapped marshmallows. Make that a thing, please.
It's like a crunchy marshmallow or a gooey bacon piece.
Yeah. They kind of mix together real well too. I
that's
mean,
pretty good.
kind of sweet and salty at the same time. I don't know, it's really good.
I'm
I would
cold,
try,
so
I
we
would
get
try
back-
that again.
Sorry.
I'd rate that like. I'd rate that 9 out of 10. That was really solid.
Yeah, I'd say 9 out of 10 for sure.
Next one.
Alright, back to work.
Let's see. Hey, the tack hold.
Alright guys, this is the next morning, and this is how the forge hood looks. It's in the daylight so you can see all the tack welds we did to it. They're mostly on the inside, but we did a couple on the outside. We can't really run a bead because this metal is so thin. It basically was just burning right through it. So we did the best we could. I think it's pretty solid. And back here you can see we just kind of quickly welded it to the building. And then we welded it for sure down here. Yeah, you can see how it just burns to that metal. But, you know, it seems to work. I'm going to show you the other side in just a second. Alright guys, that's how it looks so far. It was put in kind of crooked to avoid hitting that wood beam because we really didn't want to cut it out. As you can see on the other side, it's all welded up on the bottom. And these pipes are welded together just for extra support. And then we welded a brace on it, and then we welded it to the top as well. We had to cut a bit of the roof out, but I'm okay with that because now we have a forge hood on it. And we got one of those little fancy topper things, which is pretty sweet. It does work really well. Yeah, so it does work really well so far. It's just 4-inch pipe, so it's not too big or nothing, but it's more for the passive work of the forge. It's not meant for the big bloom of smoke when you add a bunch of new green coal as you're starting it. So this should help a whole lot in my shop and avoiding me running out because I got smoke in my eyes. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. We had fun making this, and hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. So drop a like, comment, subscribe, you know the business. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.